Part 2. You guys are ready. The plane is almost here. Yes, it's almost here. I'm so excited. I'm excited to go to America. Same. I want to meet Lanky Box. Bro, what the fuck? It's been a while now. So, just gonna go now. Yeah, boy. The plane is still here. Finally! Let's go! Yay! We're going! Oh! Chad, we're going to America. Yes! We're actually going. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh yes. What is landmate? What is this grenade? Do not touch that. Yeah, I'm gonna touch that. I'm gonna throw that out of there. Ah! That I was saying. So, it will be long, bro. So, why is it so long? What the hell? Okay, I'm not gonna be lazy. Yes, we. What is going on? What's going on? Oh man, what's going on? Alert! The plane will fall. The plane will fall. The pilot got sleep. Oh no, pump. Let's get it. Attention. Go to the parachute room, I guess. Okay, let's go. There we go. Now we're gonna open this. Okay, let's go. Open. Guys, crash the parachute. There's one falling. So. Okay. Yeah. Wait. There's the parachutes. What should we do? The plane will fall. Oh, ow. Why there's no parachute? There's freaking no parachutes. No, we will die. Let's guess. Pump, what did you find something? I got a thing that called immortality. Where did you find that? Up here. I'm going to grab it and boink. Oh shit, the immortality just ran out. Guess you guys staying here. No, please. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yes, I love this. Now what should we do? Oh. Oh no. Please save us. We're gonna die. Something. Yay. What is, bro? Oh my, what is that behind us? It's fire! The freaking fire! What the? Now. Bro, there's a fire everywhere. Bro, what's wrong with the plane, bro? What's wrong with the plane? No, the plane exploded.